Carpet cleaning in Salt Lake City, Utah. After providing carpet cleaning services in the greater Salt Lake City area for going on 13 years now, we're not exactly new, but we are definitely a different kind of carpet cleaning company. We started Green Solutions Carpet Cleaning in 2011 by introducing the new way to clean carpet to homeowners and business in Salt Lake City and the surrounding area. Our specialty is eco-friendly, low-moisture, green, deep extraction carpet cleaning. What this means is no wet carpets, no harsh chemicals, and carpet cleaning you'll love. Guaranteed. The problem with traditional carpet cleaning. In a national survey that polled thousands of consumers about their biggest concerns about commercial carpet cleaning, the overwhelming number one complaint was that their carpet was left too wet and took too long to dry. The number two complaint was that more often than not, stains came back after the carpet eventually dried. Our idea is simple. Doesn't it make sense to provide a carpet cleaning service that addresses and resolves these issues? We believe it does, and that's the reason we wanted to be the first in Salt Lake to introduce the new, modern way to clean carpets. www.greensolutionscarpetcleaning.com